Welcome to LingoShift, the podcast for learning Japanese on the go. Today, we will have a special practice session to master how to make polite requests and handle the natural follow-up questions that occur in conversation. First, let's review the polite request form, 手フォームください. Let's practice a simple request. The sentence is, ここに名前を書いてください. This means, please write your name here. Listen again. ここに名前を書いてください. Now you say the sentence. ここに名前を書いてください. A common and polite response to show you have understood the request is, はい、わかりました. Listen again. はい、わかりました. Now you say the response. はい、わかりました. Next, let's practice another common request. Please show me. The phrase is 見せてください. Let's use this in a shopping scenario. The sentence is あのシャツを見せてください. This means please show me that shirt. Listen again. あのシャツを見せてください. Now you say the sentence. あのシャツを見せてください. Now it is time for a quick quiz. First quiz question. How do you say, please write your name? Take a moment to think. The answer is, 名前を書いてください. Second quiz question. You have been asked to do something. How do you respond, yes, I understand? Think about it. The answer is, はい、わかりました. Excellent. Now, let's learn how to ask for a different option. After a clerk shows you something, you can ask, for example, もう少し小さいのはありませんか? This means, don't you have a slightly smaller one? Listen again. もう少し小さいのはありませんか? Now you ask the question. もう少し小さいのはありませんか? A polite way for the clerk to offer an alternative is to use the phrase いかがですか? Which means, how about? Let's practice the clerk's response. The sentence is, このシャツはいかがですか? This means, how about this shirt? Listen again. このシャツはいかがですか? Now you say the sentence. このシャツはいかがですか? Finally, let's learn how to politely start a request when you are interrupting someone. You can use the phrase すみませんが at the beginning of the sentence. Let's practice a full request. The sentence is, すみませんが、この言葉の意味を教えてください. This means, excuse me, but please tell me the meaning of this word. Listen again. すみませんが、この言葉の意味を教えてください. Now you say the sentence. すみませんが、この言葉の意味を教えてください. Now for our final quiz. First question. You are shopping for a bag. The one you are shown is too small. You want to ask, don't you have a slightly bigger one? How do you ask this? Take a moment to think. The answer is, もう少し大きいのはありませんか? Second question. You want to politely ask a stranger, excuse me, but please tell me the way to the station. The phrase for way to the station is 駅への行き方. How would you construct that request? Think about it carefully. The answer is, すみませんが、駅への行き方を教えてください. You have completed today's practice session. You have now learned how to handle a variety of polite requests and responses in Japanese. Thanks for learning with LingoShift.
LingoShift.